Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Heli dual fuel pneumatic forklift with a cab. Model number CPQYD30KU1H. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're running forklifts outside at your operation, this just might be the perfect unit for you. It has a base capacity of 6,000 pounds and it runs on dual fuel. So in this case, that is gasoline and LP. Let me show you here on the door that it has this heater here to keep your operator nice and warm even in the winter months. And you'll see that we have four-way hydraulics. Now this fourth function here is an open function for whatever you might need. And you'll see here down on the dash that we have easy switches for the heater function as well as your front windshield wiper, and this is where you switch it from gasoline to LP. Now, there is a cup holder on that side as well. And coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. This currently has 48-inch standard tapered forks, but if you need a different size, we can make that happen for you. Now, looking at the tires, these are black, solid pneumatic traction tires, and coming up here to the front, we have dual rear view mirrors. As I mentioned, that front windshield wiper. We also have these forward-facing ultra bright LED headlights, as well as those combination lights up on top that have your running light as well as turn signals. And coming inside of the cabin, we have lots more features, including that dome light up there on the top. We also have a fully adjustable steering column, as well as a steering wheel knob. We have that convex rear view mirror up there. And you'll see here that we have this hood bra, which not only insulates the cabin for sound, but also to keep it nice and warm as well. Now this is a full suspension seat that adjusts forwards and backwards and with your incline and with your suspension, and also has that orange high visibility safety belt. On that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb even when he's backing up. And we have that operator fan as well for their comfort all year long. Now speaking of comfort all year long, you can slide these windows open easily, and you can even pop this door off to give the operator some extra ventilation. And on the back, we have those rear combination lights that show your brakes, your turn signals, and your reverse. And there's a backup alarm as well. And we have that yellow magnetic strobe up there on the top. Now this forklift is loaded with features, and it is here and in stock and ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.